Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all my subscribers. I love you all, and thank you to my constant followers who truly support me. I love you too. I found this at Walmart for just $5. And it's a diamond dot because that's what they sell over there, but I'm trying to figure out why it's a special edition. I haven't looked at it yet. All I did was cut the tape. So let's see what it really looks like. Guess it comes double wrapped, right? Okay. Let's see what the bills look like first. Doesn't seem to like all the glare, so. Come on now, be good to me. I bought you and I brought you home, so be good to me. A red scrunchie. I don't have that yet. And a clear pen, giant piece of wax, and it's gray. I kind of wish they would come in different colors. It's kind of disappointing. And this is what we have for colors. Let's bring you up so I don't have to. There we go. Oh, it's got several packs. I know I don't know the colors, but I like this. It's more of a mint green. ASMR time, right? I will always love blue and the royal blues. A lot of blues. Wow, definitely a lot of blues. One more. Wait a minute. I have no package right here. Purples. There's actual grays in there. And I'll pack this away later because that's just way too much work. On the floor you go. Bring it back down. Ooh, that's nice. Nice and cottony. It comes with a little instructional manual. And it's in like 3 different languages. This is very, very soft. Wow. I can't tell if they're DMC coated or not. diamond dot numbers. Wow, all over the board. It's gonna take a lot for me to figure that one out. There's a lot of colors in there. Doesn't technically tell you how many colors. Well, we'll find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. This is going to take me a while if I do that at all. I mean, there you go. Looks good. It's a nice Van Gogh. I think that's what this is. A Van Gogh. It doesn't really say. If it says I completely missed it, it looks like a Van Gogh. This is very thick. Let's see how good the stick is on this. Way good. Way good. Oh, definitely way good. So I'm not quite sure I want to do it. I'll have to think on it. Maybe I'll put it to a vote. But what do you think, guys? You think it was worth $5? It was on clearance. I just put up a shorts video with the ones that were $10. Excuse me, $9.88, but with tax, it's gonna go over, $10. I mean, that's 8 to 9% for Connecticut. And they had the rose there. I still trying to get the rose, but had to go there for other reasons. But I think this is worth $5, don't you? Don't forget, have a great day. I hope everybody had an awesome Mother's Day. I did. My daughter called and wished me Happy Mommy's Day. So I miss her. She lives in Texas. But that's it for now. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. And if you wish to do the other things, you know where to go for that. Have a great day. Namaste.